My friends, welcome to the video. I hope you're doing really well. So Foxify, in my opinion, is going to be really big in the next bull run because you can trade anything from crypto to Forex to stocks. And even if you're not a trader, the benefits for you can be really massive in different ways if you act really quickly. And I know most of you watching this video probably aren't traders. So there's two reasons why you should want to be interested in this project. And the first one is because right now they're doing a free whitelisted NFT mint, and it gives you a whole bunch of benefits like prizes and airdrops, just to name a few. And also because you can stake the Foxify token on their platform to get a cut in the total trading fees. And to put that into some kind of perspective for you, in the last 3 months, crypto has had a total trading volume of around $2.8 trillion. And that's just crypto in only 3 months in a bear market. So if you add to that commodities, stocks, Forex, and a bull market, then that really gives you some idea of the potential of this project and what hot commodities these NFTs are going to be in the future. And I've already done a few videos on Foxify, so I'll leave a link to those in a pinned comment. But I know that you want to know about the NFT and the benefits of that. So the first benefit is, at the moment, it's free. So you can get a Foxify Trading Co. NFT for free. All you've got to do is join their whitelist, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. And also by getting an NFT, and if you want to join my team too, then Foxify are actually going to be giving away perks and prizes and airdrops to people in teams leading up to the launch and post-launch as well. The NFTs also give you lifetime discounts to all the trading fees. And even if you're not a trader, then you can just sell the NFTs later for profits. And also, I'm going to be doing my own insider benefits to the people on my team, including airdrops from some of the commissions that I get from the trading fees that you do. And also, I'm going to be announcing some other stuff later down the line. And also, upon launch, there's going to be team leaderboards, so a bit of fun, healthy competition is never a bad thing. And obviously, the top teams are going to be getting perks as well. And to get on the whitelist, it's actually really easy. I'm going to leave all the links for this in the description, but basically you go to the Zeely quest board, and all you've got to do is get 500 XP to qualify for the free whitelist. And you can see here it's sort of categorized by different things. Let's just go to Twitter. So it's really easy, like follow Twitter, do one tweet about the NFT, retweet this video, and do some other things. Each of this is 100 points, so just do 5 of those. Once you've done this, then you've got to go to the Discord to fill out the Google form to get on the whitelist, and then boom, you are on the whitelist and you can do the mint. So you can see here in the Discord that the mint is happening on May the 12th at 8 p.m. UTC. If you want to join my team, then just click on my picture, and there's a whole bunch of other people in there too if you want to go on their team. That's everything you need to know, my friends. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.